Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 6th of December. We did an arm jive, a man spin, a push spin and a yo-yo. If you need teaching information for any of those moves, links in the description below, and this video will show you how we joined them all together. So we started off left to right for the arm jive, and it went 7 and 8. Offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return for the man spin, we went through, caught left, return for the push spin, we went flat, spin, caught right, return for the yo-yo, we came in, twist, flat, turn, switched hands, return and back, set us up to go back to the beginning. Hopefully you'll find that useful, and if you are finding it useful, then do consider liking, subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Thank you very much to everybody who does that. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.